Hello, 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 everyone. Hello, Tornex. We are live 1 second so I can change the song. Nice. Now let me see how will you be doing. If like you can hear me well or not, or you know what I'm saying. I think you can hear me okay. I'm not sure 100%. I mean, let me talk a bit more. I think you can hear me okay. It looks like the music is a bit loud. I should put the music a bit. I should turn the volume a bit down. Can you confirm with me, Tornex, please? Is the music okay? Should I turn it a bit? Okay, maybe a bit lower. Okay. What about now? Is okay or not? Or is still too loud? I'm not 100% sure. I'm just trying to figure it out. Perfect. Oh, awesome. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, hello, Dr. Dots. Okay. Okay. Okay, so let's see what we can do. Can you hear me? Okay. Oh man, wait, I'm not sure if we can hear me now. That is a very good question. That is mostly because now on Soldeer we have organizations, which means that when you publish a project, you publish it under an organization, so you can have multiple people publishing various projects, not only one user, you know. And soon we will have also private projects. Like if you want a project to be private, just for your organization, you can have that, you know. Okay. Let's start. So I have some notes at some point. I have some notes. Let me see where they are. So I have a guy who helps me with the front end. And he requested some changes. Let me see. Okay, yeah. So when I get the user, here I need to add the username. Filter username, and I think I need to add also the organization. Which is the organization name. So, because now when we get the username, when I get the current user, I want also the username and the organization. Apparently, I forgot to add this from the response. Literally backcoding, like I let cursor do all the work. I just double check what the cursor does. Okay, do we have a condition here? Yeah, we do. Nice. Okay, so then I need to do it here. Organization name. Nice. Let's see how many times do we have this. Okay, here, right? Okay, they have organization here as well. Register. Oh, I don't escape the organization name, but I but the organization name. Do I save this? I forgot, to be honest. Yeah. Okay, then this one. Nice. Oh, no. This one I need. One second. Okay, let's see. So, okay, here, get me handler. Nice, but I need to get organization here. And here now I need to add the organization name. So I got the organization here, right? With returning an error fetching organization. This should basically return that I don't get the organization, or I should get the organization. There should be no issue here. Okay, organization name, perfect. Do I have organization here? Oh, I don't have organization here because organization here is none. So I'm just gonna create, if it's none, if organization is none, organization name. Yeah, but what organization name? Ah, okay, default organization for username. Okay. Then I'm gonna do. Okay, then I'm gonna do here. Let organization name would be actually this one, right? And here I'm just gonna do this. And wait, this is not okay. Actually, format. Alright, because I need to format it for the organization for organization name. Seems okay. Now. Okay, I'm back here on Postman. Profile maybe. Yeah, this is local, so local should be actually. Yeah, it's not this. Oh, because it's HTTPS, should not be HTTPS. What? No, it should be. This should be get. Invalid token. Of course, I need to log in. Wait. I'm not sure what I'm doing here. Wait, localhost. This should work. I know. Because all of these have HTTPS. Okay, this is not. I forgot exactly what user and password I used here. Oh, yeah, sorry. My password is leaked now. Don't steal my local. Don't steal my local post username, please. Got him. Got him. To be honest, I forgot. did I put here? Wait, I need to check. Where is that Docker? Okay. Nice. Let's see what username I have. Okay, let's see. Okay. I'm gonna get this one. Apparently this is not the password. Not sure which one is the password, to be honest. Hmm. Yeah, I need to get a user because I don't know. New user should be created, but I need to verify it now. 1 second. Let's see. Oh man. Let me verify this one. Let's see. Sorry, I'm doing on the other screen because I don't want to leak some stuff. You do it. Nice. What is this? Not this. This one, nice. Everything works. Because those are encoded in the database. I mean, they are not kept in. They are not kept in plain text. Nice. Yeah, Dornix. I like plain text. Well, as a black hat, I would love them too. Yeah, but you can do the other easy trick. Change user's password. Then no. No. Um, okay, nice one. Nice one.
So I think this was something that I forgot to know.
Now I need to get organization. Okay. I want to do another get here. You know. Mm, Now get details about a user's organization. Look how pipe coding works, right? And that's it. And now I'm verifying what the AI wrote for me, So I get this organization and I return it. Damn, I remember when I wrote all of this by hand. Now it took me way less than that. Okay, now let me import this on here. Okay. Now I should be able to do this. Sorry, yes. Huh? Oh. Oops. You got me. Huh? Why? Oh my god. Me. Organization. Not the doors. Nice. Now works. Now let's see. Now, let me do a bit of, looking a bit here. So organizations I create. Let's look at the projects. How do I get the project now? Because now when I get the project, I need to get the project. I need to handle this deprecate better. But also I need to look how do I get projects here. Programs. Okay, organization ID. Nice. And I get a specific project ID. I get a specific project name, if it's by name. Yeah, I need to specify it, but yeah, I need to do this. Nice. Fail. Yeah, I need to fail with the message because if this, I mean, if neither of these parameters were actually verified, you know. Yeah, nice. So now, let's see if this works. Get project. Not project ID. Let me get the project ID actually. Okay, let's get this project. Okay, this worked. Now let's see if it works by organization ID, right? Should get me back the same. Yeah, nice. See, nice. But yeah, now it's by organization ID, which is nice. Nice. So I have the organization, but I need to do something else now. It's time. Right, it's time to move everything that is related with the organization here. Let's see. Okay, let me get this one. Get organization handler as well. Yeah, I think it's time to move them here, you know what I mean? Nice. Add user to organization handler. This is also organization related. No. Actually, no. Add project, update project, duplicate. Nice. Now let me add, I'm gonna add all of these. So I won't need all of them. And now I'm gonna move this. And now I'm gonna do organization handler. Yeah, because I need the organization handler. Now not, no, sorry, not here. Where it is? not here. Model. Okay, here. Organization handler, right? Let me do this. I actually don't need it. Organization handler. Oh, I need to delete all of this. Now I'm gonna delete all of this. Delete. Now, wait, this should actually, okay, update organization schema. Oh yeah, I delete this. I don't need this. I don't need this. Okay. I need to delete this. Delete this. Okay, let's see. Okay, I think it should work, right? Okay, this should work. Okay, let's see if this works now. Wait, I need to ban someone. Nice. Okay, yeah, finally I had to move this into organization file. Nice. User here, response routes. Everything on routes should be fine now. Yeah, maybe I need maybe I need some, more refactoring here and there, but I actually don't want. Now let's do likely format. Let's run the clippy. Okay, this is unused. These are unused. 1 second. Oops, sorry, I was on mute. Yeah, let me do. Let me do a bit of. Let me push and see what else I can do. 1 second. Okay, all good now. Awesome. This was nice. Okay, let's see. Okay, so I did the backend here. Everything worked good. I think the organization is ready. I have the. I should start a private. I should start a private repos. Yeah. But for that, I need to create another. You know, I need to create another repo. 1 second. One second. Wait. Okay, for anyone who's asking what I'm vibe coding, I'm vibe coding on Soldeer, which is the first and the only package manager for Solidity, used by many projects and integrated already into Foundry. That's what I'm vibe coding. It's not actually vibe coding. I like to call it. I like to call it vibe coding, but it's not actually vibe coding. No, I will never vibe code such an important project. But I'm just joking, you know. Sometimes I like to joke saying that I say I'm vibe coding something, you know what I mean? But it's not a vibe coding actually. Hello, keyword. Okay. Wait, I need to answer to some questions because the dev who's working on the front end is asking me some questions and I want to answer them right now. Nice. So yeah, I did this. Oh yeah, I said I'm working a bit on the, let's see, on the deprecated stuff, so I can deprecate. Let's see what this does. So, of the projects set deleted true. Okay, cool. So I said it as basically true. And now, when I get a project, Update project. Yeah, I shouldn't be able to. So I should be able to get the project, but we should not be able to modify them. No, this should not. Oh. Okay. Insert, update. This is the deprecation, upload revision. Yeah, because I cannot upload what projects that are deprecated. Nice. I'm just looking, insert into revisions, blah, blah, blah. I'm looking at get projects, perfect, get project already. Okay, I can get all the projects now. Name. Okay. Nice. Okay, nice. Okay, so everything it seems that get project revisions. Yeah, this done needs to be false because I need to be able to get the project revisions even if it's deprecated. Right. I'm going to delete this. Nice. And here as well. Let me see. Yeah, no. Perfect. Update. Okay, let's see. Yeah, because I can update the downloads. Okay, nice. Everything is nice. One second. Okay, let's see. Yeah, so I think this also works fine. Let me just push this. Let me push it super quick. Okay, cool. Sorry. People are still contacting me. Nice. Cool, cool, cool. Cool, cool, cool. Yeah, I think the organizations are ready. Private projects, yeah, I need to probably the next live, I'm gonna do them. Now I just want to, actually, you know what I want to do right now? I want to prepare some examples, like how to use Soldier, because people actually don't know what Soldier does, you know what I mean? Or how it's used. I need to modify the title of the... One second. Yeah, because people don't know exactly how Soldier works. Let me modify the title of the streams. 1 second. Nice. So let me do some stuff here, right? For this, I need to get a new project from a Foundry, template. Now, let me hide this a bit, making sure I don't dox anything. I'm still here, but I want to, how can I do a new? Oh. Here, let me close this. Okay,
Okay, let's see.
Okay, so I'm gonna use Paul's Foundry template, right? So I can show you how actually this works. So I'm gonna, whatever. Wait, I cannot do this. No, I can't. Okay, Foundry. Nice. Oh wait, it didn't work. Oh wait, 1 second. I need to configure this. Man, I hate when I don't have this configured. Let's configure this. Wait, what? All good. So now I basically initialize the new Forge project, right? So now let me open it in here, not like this. How do I open it? Oh man, I need to hide this again. How do I? Let me check. Oh man, I forgot again. Okay, I understand. Open project. Nice. Nice. This. Nice. Yeah. Okay, so now I have a Foundry project here. We're using Foundry, right? I has all of this. We don't need all of this. Let me just delete this because we don't need them. We actually don't need, let's say, this as well. And it works. I mean, it should work. Oh, it doesn't work. Right? What? Maybe this. Oh no, I don't have. Yeah, unfortunately, this one is using bun, right? And package JSON. We don't want this. Like, we don't want this at all. Sorry, but whoever thought that npm it's a good idea, we actually run. I'm not saying anything to Paul, of course, because Paul did a good job with this template. But in this industry, whoever thought that it's a good idea to use npm was mistaken. So now, what we want to do, we can do a Forge Soldeer init. This is a command that basically inits a project, right? And here we have some prompts. We have nice prompts. We have also some nice like emojis. Thanks to my colleague who Yeah, exactly, Dornex npm sucks. Thanks to my colleague who contributes with me. So I'm using Foundry, and now it's installing the normal stuff, which if we look here, it's installing the latest for Forge because this is needed, right? Well, now one thing that we need to do is to check the remappings here and make sure that we did all the we need to delete all the configurations. And now, of course, the project might not work as expected because this has a test here. It's using a wrong, path. Okay, remappings. I'm gonna do this. Nice, see? So I just wanted to map exactly the where I wanted to go. So this is under here, see? And now basically I remapped this into what I had in my project. It's a bit problematic sometimes if you have a project to do this. Unfortunately, Soldeer for now cannot migrate this automatically because people are just crazy on how they set up their, how they set up their dependencies and so on. But this is super simple. See, like I just run one command and now I have basically a full package manager of Solidity dependencies. Now let me show you something else. I'm going to Soldier XYZ and I'm gonna search now for, let's say, OpenZeppelin, right? So I want to, this is the official Soldier website, and I want to go to OpenZeppelin contract. I want to install a specific version, right? Let's say this one. Then I just copy the command from here. Look, it's quite used. Look how many downloads this one has. And now I'm gonna do this Forge Soldier install, and that's it. It's installing this dependency, it's adding it automatically here, as you can see, and it's adding it here as a dependency as well, right? So this is all automatically. You don't need to do anything. This is how it works. See? Now, everything was installed. I also have we have log file that tells you exactly where the revision was gotten from, the integrity, checksum, everything that you need to have. It's very important to check something, because now you can run scripts, making sure that these scripts can, for example, check the integrity of these files and so on and so forth. This is nice now. So this can be used directly into your code now. Like for example, here where I don't have a let me install a Solidity something so it can show nice, Okay. So now, come on. I can just do here, import. Oh, perfect. ERC. Okay, but this is not the scene, see, because my remappings is like this. Right? It keeps adding the version into the. Let's see. What is the issue here? Yeah, this should work, but it doesn't. Let's see. Everything is in the dependency folder, so if you don't find something, you can here. Yeah, because this doesn't have contract, sorry. Nice. Now it should work. See, it works. Because here is everything that is in the OpenZeppelin 5.3.0. Nice. Simple idea, right? Now you saw that it keeps adding the version here. Well, if you don't want to do that, there is a possibility to disable that. Soldier also has dependencies. Dependencies. Soldier now has also settings. Let me go here. I'm going to the official Git code. Let me go to the Foundry book, for example, because we have it's integrated into Foundry already. So we have the book here, and you just have to search for stuff. Now let's see. Okay. Let me see where the updating dependencies is something else. Remappings. Oh, here we have some configurations that we can set. For example, if we don't want the version to be in the remappings, we have to set remappings version false, because by default it's true. So now if I copy this and I paste it here, right? And now let's say I want to install Soldeer. Okay. And I want to install Soldeer. Everything works in the Foundry, works as expected. See, it added everything here. But now if I look in the remappings, it still added this. Why? Wait. Oh wait, because it's still true. I did not modify it to false. Basically copy pasted it here. Sorry. Let me redo this. Going to delete this. And now let me reinstall. Oh, it's already installed. Sorry. Why this does? Oh wait. I'm reinstalling Soldeer, right? And now, nice. See, it doesn't add the version here. We still have the version here, which is super important. All right. Super important to have because I'm a security researcher, I've been looking for a long time for this. For example, whenever I look at a project and I don't understand exactly what version it's using, it's basically pissing me off all the time. But now with Soldier, it's super easy. Let me tell you another cool stuff. For example, I want to install 2 versions of Soldeer. If you use the normal, dependency manager, you cannot do that. But with Soldier, you actually can do. I for example, can copy this, install this Soldeer. It's added here, but now because I removed the version, I need to basically, add it back here. So I can use 2 different versions, right? For example, I'm gonna do this. Right? And now, in my project, I can actually do, why Soldeer? No, let me go, I'm not sure what. The autocomplete that did here, but for example, I can do. Okay, let's say I want to copy this one, right? It's in accounts, right? So Okay, accounts, nice. But this one is from it's from the latest version of Soladi. But for example, if I want to use, I don't know, let's say time block, not time block, let's say the receiver, right? From a previous version, I can do something like this. Right? Wait, let's see. So now, what I did here, let me close all of this. I use the ERC1271 from Soladi latest version, right? But the receiver from a previous version. This was not possible previously in any. Was not possible easily on any package managers. Also on Soldier, you can do it super easy. Oops. And it works. Everything compiles. And I know exactly what I'm using and so on. Oh, and if I had this back in the day, it would be awesome. It would have been awesome, but I didn't have it. Another nice thing about Soldier, right? Let me show you. There are many things. I'm gonna copy this. Okay. So now let's revert everything. Let's consider that okay, we don't have anything on remappings. Let's consider that we don't have anything, or we don't have Soldier. I just have this project, right? And now I just asked the teammate to pass me his Foundry contents. Then I just do Forge Soldier install. When I do this, everything gets installed. Like, so, I mean, look at how fast I can. Can you see like how fast this is done? Like super fast. It installed everything, and now I just do, and it doesn't work. Why? Because I need to. Oh wait, I have just one Soladi. I need the second Soladi for that, which is okay. This one. Oh, I don't think this works. Let's see. Does this work? I'm not even sure. No, it doesn't work. Oh yeah, because it's a bit different here. But let's say, wait, let's delete this one. And now, because when used with multiple versions, it's like a bit difficult on how you difficult. You have to set up a bit more stuff. But I can show you how fast this works. Let me show you 1 second. Because people ask me sometimes how fast this works. I'm gonna show you how fast. So let me copy this. Let me see. This. Oh. I'm gonna copy this, and I'm just copying all of like a lot of contracts so I can show you. Like I'm gonna install OpenZeppelin upgradables as well. What else? Let me install this as well. So I have right now 8 dependencies, right? And I basically deleted everything. So right now it's like a new project, right? And let's see how fast this is. So as you can see, nothing is here, like no dependencies, nothing. And now I'm just gonna click install and see how fast it installs 8 or 9 whatever dependencies. That was it, right? All the dependencies are here. Look. I mean, like 1 second. I think that's, I mean, if you ask me, that's pretty impressive, to be honest. And yeah, a lot of stuff you can do actually with Soldier. You have the foundry book here, you can do recursive dependencies. Now, of course, you can also push the versions. Soon we have also organizations. You can do dry runs. What else you can do? You can install from Git. For example, if you don't have like something specific, like if something is not present on Soldier, you can actually install from Git using some using the from a specific commit or tag or whatever. You can install even from custom URLs. Like for example, if you have a dependency, like a special URL that you don't want to share it or whatever, you can actually install that from the special URL and use it. Look, for example, like here, like I have it hosted on S3 or whatever. I mean, there are many things you can do with Soldier, and it's fast, works, and it's also secure. And soon I'm gonna add more metadata to the to every dependency. I'm gonna try to add audits, like if you had any audits, a specific version, what versions were not audited, and so on. It's I mean, if you ask me, that's pretty neat. But yeah, this is Soldier basically. The thing that I worked on for a year and something. Of course, it's open source. It has 31 stars. Let me do another star. Has a lot of things. Yeah, and it's pretty active. We have over, I think we have around, I don't know, over 500,000 downloads of different packages. Like for example, even I mean this one has up to 38, but if I go into the open set, one of the most used contracts, right? This has how many? Like 300,000 downloads. Upgradables have 41,000. Soldeer, let's see, has 18,000 downloads. Which one? Forge, probably. Yeah, Forge another. Oh, 47, but probably this. I mean, this one is one of the most used package. It has 500,000 downloads. Of course, some of them are also CIs, but well, it is what it is. Maybe Uniswap as well. I'm not sure which one on Uniswap, but yeah, some of these Uniswaps as well have like really cool. I mean, really cool. They have a lot of downloads as well. Yeah, and everyone can create an account with GitHub or without GitHub or with email and can publish lots of stuff here. Soulmate as well has 34,000 downloads. PRB Math has 1,000 downloads. Yeah, it's crazy how fast it grew. And that's what I'm working on. And I want to personally thank you to Bib, which is my other contributor. And he's a cool guy, and he basically wrote a really good part of the CLI as well. Because well, it was not written so fast. let's say so Rust automatic, but it's actually now gotten into a very cool state. It doesn't have a lot of updates because it works, and the CLI doesn't actually need a lot of updates, just maybe some bug fixing here and there. We do have some issues that needs to be solved, but these are not exactly like pain points. I need to check this one. Why don't check this one? Okay, because I need to see if I can add this one, but that's not a thing. But that's all. That's all for today's stream. Thank you so much for watching, and see you all on the next one, where maybe we're gonna do some stuff. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.